Hello YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review. Today we're reviewing the Bengoo desk fan. We've been using the Bengoo desk fan all summer long, and while it is marketed as a desk fan, this is a universal use hand fan. It's great to bring to amusement parks and everything like that. We've done that. We've used it in the backyard with the kiddie pool. Everywhere where you're just in blistering hot sun and you need a fan, this is the fan for you. Tested this all summer long. Great features of this is that you can use it with just your hand, take it anywhere you need. It is rechargeable by micro USB, but if you want to use it as a desk fan, it comes with this nice little pedestal, which you can also charge through. You can see that there's a micro USB there. And it does come with a micro USB cable. I did misplace the one they gave me, but again, micro USB is really easy to replace. So I just got a longer one. Again, micro USB, no problem. The fan can also serve as a power pack. If you just twist the fan off, you have a nice USB connection right there. And I'll show you that you can use this as a charger. The little power button on the back will make it a power bank. So another great feature to have, especially if you're out in the yard and you want a quick charge on your cell phone. So again, a great thing about the hand fan is that you can use it as a power bank. I have this hooked up to my Google Pixel 2 and it is charging. It's probably not going to be fast charging. Out in the yard or out and about and you need a charge on your phone, you can use it as a power bank, which makes it excellent. And I am a big fan of having items being multi-use and being able to charge USB devices. The fan itself is a 6-blade design. It has 3 small blades and 3 bigger blades. The power bank is 2600 milliamp hours and is powered by a lithium-ion 18650 battery. The output of the USB is 5 volts at 2 amps. That makes it 10 watts of power. The charging dock down here keeps it stable on a desk, or if you just want to put it on a table next to you. It has 5 speed settings. Has a power indicator on it to let you know how long the battery is. And the duration is 3 hours at high speed, 9 hours at low speed. And I've actually tested that and that seems quite accurate. It's definitely lightweight and it is awesome to have on trips, vacations, and likewise. As a fan, all it does is it has a USB fan head to it. And I'm pretty sure that you can use this with any USB that you have. But the handheld portion is the power bank. So it's a power bank with a plug-in USB fan. You just plug it into the top like so. And then you're going to turn the fan to your left when you're facing it. And the main power button for the fan is here. I have my assistant here, Zach, and he's going to show us the 5 speeds of the fan. Zach, hold that thing up high, bud. Let's make sure we get the full effect here. All right, here's the low setting. How's it feel?
Good.
Is it cool?
Yep.
All right, we've used this all summer long, right?
Yep.
All right, so it's been good. All right, go to speed setting 2. And as you can see, his hair's starting to blow a little bit faster. And now setting 3. Whoa, get ready for the hurricane. Step 4. Don't get blown away. Now we're going for full speed, step 5. And you can hear that fan roaring. He's not gonna be blown away, ladies and gentlemen, but it's definitely blowing a lot of wind. Right, Zach?
Yep.
Yeah, and it's helped us out many times this summer, so it's been an excellent product. If you'd like to purchase your Bengoo USB mini desk fan, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. You can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We want to say thank you very much for watching and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.